Audi has done something a little confusing with the name here. This A5 Avant is actually the direct replacement for what used to be the A4 Avant, renamed as part of a strategy the company has since partly reversed. But the name matters far less than what this particular car is, because this is the A5 Avant e-hybrid, the plug-in hybrid version, and it might just be the cleverest A5 of the lot. It is a premium estate that promises to be quick, efficient, and genuinely useful all at once, and a quiet, compelling argument against defaulting to a premium SUV. On the outside, it is classic, understated Audi, finished here in a crisp Glacier White metallic that suits its restrained lines. It is longer and lower than the SUVs it competes with an elegant roofline flowing into the tailgate and sharp lighting at both ends. There are no badges shouting about the electrified powertrain and no awkward addenda. It simply looks like a clean, sophisticated, grown-up estate, the kind of design that ages gracefully, and in this specification, it has a calm confidence that needs no embellishment. Inside, Audi has gone fully digital, and this car shows it well. The dashboard is dominated by large, curved screens running the latest system, with Audi's virtual cockpit plus ahead of the driver, and the cabin pairs that technology with genuinely solid build quality, heated sports-style front seats, and a tasteful black and steel gray color scheme. It feels modern and expensive. The flip side, which we will come back to, is that nearly everything now lives in the touchscreen, with very few physical buttons remaining, which is a divisive choice. As an estate, practicality should be the headline, and it largely is, but with one asterisk that comes specifically from the plug-in hybrid. Because the battery sits under the boot floor, load space drops to around 360 liters, noticeably less than the non-hybrid versions offer. It is still a usefully square, easy-to-access space, fine for the everyday family run. But if maximum luggage room is your priority, this is the trade-off you make for going electrified. If breakdowns like this help you decide which premium car is actually worth it, subscribe so you catch the next one. Now to the heart of it. This combines a 2-liter turbocharged petrol engine with an electric motor for a strong combined output of around 295 horsepower. Sent to all four wheels through quattro, all-wheel drive, and a 7-speed automatic. That makes it genuinely quick, with a 0 to 60 time of well under 6 seconds. But the real party trick is the large battery, with nearly 26 kilowatt-hours of capacity, bigger than the one in an original Nissan Leaf, giving an official electric only range of up to around 70 miles. For most people, that means the daily commute and the school run can be done on electricity alone, with the petrol engine saved for longer journeys. There are honest catches worth raising. The first is that heavily digital interior, because moving almost every function onto the touchscreen makes some simple adjustments more fiddly than they need to be. The second is specific to any plug-in hybrid. To get those tempting efficiency figures, you genuinely have to plug it in regularly. If you never charge it, you are simply hauling a heavy battery around, and economy will suffer. Treat it right, charging it home overnight, and it can be remarkably cheap to run for a car this quick. Taken together, this A5 Avant e-hybrid is arguably the sweet spot of the whole range, and a reminder of why the premium estate refuses to die. It is fast, all-wheel drive, beautifully made, and capable of genuinely low running costs if you charge it, while looking far more elegant than any equivalent SUV. The smaller boot and the screen-heavy cabin are fair criticisms, but the core idea, a quick, efficient, practical, plug-in premium wagon, is deeply appealing. For the buyer who wants one car to do everything, it makes a very strong case.